Yep.
Ready?
Go. Woo! We're having a dunking session. My turn.
By the way, this basketball hoop is 10 feet tall. I'm really tall. So is she. Woo! Oh no! Oh no! The grass has been fertilized. So we're not allowed to walk on it. But we break the rules!
The rock!
Feed me the rock! Oh no! I'll go fast.
Go! The rock! The rock!
I'm gonna dunk. I'm gonna go. I missed.
Do you think you can hang on here? Doesn't seem very safe.
Man, I'm such a baller.
Yeah. He's trying to go between the legs. Yes! The rock! Here, we're gonna try another one. Go down there. And pass me the ball up in the air.
Okay,
Alley-oop.
ready?
Go. Too far! So like right above the hoop. I didn't even dunk it.
Here, let me see it. Ready? That worked really well.
Oh.
Nice try.
This video is gonna be really boring. No!
I like make a little fake thing.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, world.